Pilih, Hana pilih. Nak pilih what color you want to choose?
Warna biru.
Okay, which one? This one, this one, this one. This one?
Ya.
Okay, now Hana read Kalau Hana can read, okay, teacher move the car for 2 boxes. Okay? Read.
Joy's birthday toy.
Okay, very good, Hana. Okay, 2 boxes. Okay, next.
Hooray.
Hooray. Okay, very good. 2 more boxes. Okay.
It's Joy's birthday today.
It's Joy's birthday today. Very good. Okay. Move for another 2 boxes. Okay, next.
Let's get a birthday gift for Joy.
Let's get a birthday gift for Joy. Okay, very good. Okay, 2 more boxes. Okay, Hana read.
Let's get a gift for her at the toy shop.
At a toy shop.
At the toy shop.
Okay, ni?
At a toy shop.
Okay, good. Okay, very good. Okay, 2 more boxes. Okay. Okay, continue.
Roy and Betty are at the toy shop now.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, 2 more boxes. Okay. Last. Okay.
Roy and Betty enjoy looking at the toys.
Okay, very good. Okay, dah sampai. Okay, very good.